flow everywhere. This river is always known to fill up. As we can see, it has filled up. It is flooded. I hope you didn't park your car down there. Anybody want to go shopping at the Nambour Plaza? As we can see, river's up, all the stew on here. It's not ideal. Holy. The church, well, this guy here, I don't know what they're doing. It is nuts, man. Fucking hell. Yeah, we're on fire. Sludge. Wow. Where is it fishing? Yeah, right. Wow. Look at that. Nambour Dog Park. Holy. Pretty cool, alright. I wonder if there's any fish in here. Mother Nature's decided to supply us with endless swimming pool, and we're looking pretty swamped at the moment. Got the dog park right behind me. If you want to take your dog for a swim, option is available today on the house. A little bit rough conditions, but not bad to do this. Look at this. Welcome to the Sunshine Coast. Want to swim? Jesus Christ. And the ducks come out to play. Oh, we've got the locals out. Here we go. Orange tree happening here.